Hi, this is John without ATI, and I gotta tell, I'm guilty. Sometimes I like to get my little soda. I'm not this type of girl that says no sugar. So, and yes, I get this Sunkist soda with orange flavor that actually is really good. I really enjoyed this soda because over the time when I'm just trying to get a little bit of a refresh or trying to take a break from several hours of work, and it just makes it so much easier. The flavor, the sparkling flavor of this Sunkist soda is actually really good. The convenience of just grabbing this can anywhere and just like from time to time just do it. It's really good. So if you're just really trying to get a great flavor soda for just the orange flavor that's gonna taste actually like orange, this Sunkist one is really, really good. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.